Newfield Generator gravity assisted pulse motor project. We've refabricated the 10-pound drop configuration. We're going to do a manual test to see how much voltage we got, but we have two one-way bearings. The racks are set up so that as it pushes down it spins, and as it pulls back up it still spins in the same direction. Going to a 1 to 5 gear configuration, bike chain driving the 3-phase permanent magnet alternator. And if I can get over there, so manual operation. Get a nice RPM. Shoots up to anywhere between 50, 70 volts. We'll have to add a flywheel to get a to smooth out the operation. Still needs some fine tuning, but basically it's working at this point. Occasionally a tooth on the rack and pinion one-way bearing will slip, so we'll have to fix that up. I'm just posting this for my own. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. There we go. Yeah, it goes up over 100 volts if you get going fast enough. Get going too fast, 120 to 90. So it all depends upon the weight that's driving it. We're going to reinstall the 10-pound weight drop configuration, and then we'll test it with a windshield wiper motor to begin with, just to get some base numbers. And then we can swap it over to a pulse motor to try to improve efficiency. So, what was it? The old measurements on the windshield wiper motor was anywhere between 4 to 3 amps, so 3.5 amps. Driving the 10 volt or the 10-pound load. But it's kind of cool. It works, and we'll be, installing the electronics and the drive motor and weight in the near future, and we'll post results when available. We'll have to check the one-way bearings. I'm not sure if I have it. I might have one backwards or something. Or maybe I have to tighten up the collar. I don't know. Well, anyways, but we're getting good results, and it's functioning, and we'll proceed with the drive motor and the rest of the charge circuitry. So we'll try to keep it at a 12-volt system. And we have a DC to DC converter, step up, step down, so we can, increase the voltage if we need it for the pulse motor with a simple charge a capacitor circuit, and then, drive the pulse motor off of that. And so we'll see what happens. Well, this is just to, we have springs on both sides of the pivot point, and it just, I don't know, it just seemed like the right thing to do. Anyways, thanks for watching. Results, we'll post results when available. Enjoy the day. Cheers.